Did you know that angel numbers can supercharge your manifestation journey? These divine messages from the universe are here to guide you, align your energy, and help you create the life you desire. In today's video, I'll show you how to use angel numbers to manifest your dreams and unlock your full potential. And before we begin, let me know in the comments, what's one dream or goal you're manifesting right now? Let's manifest together. If you're ready to align with the universe and manifest your dreams, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Angel numbers aren't just signs, they're tools for manifestation. Each number carries a unique energy that can help you focus your intentions and attract what you desire. For example, seeing 111 is a reminder to align your thoughts with your goals. It's the universe saying, your thoughts are powerful, choose them wisely. What angel number have you seen that felt connected to your goals? Share your experience in the comments. Manifestation starts with clarity. Angel numbers help you focus by highlighting specific areas of your life. For instance, if you're manifesting financial abundance and see 888, it's a sign that prosperity is on its way. Use this number as motivation to stay focused on your financial goals. Affirmations combined with angel numbers are incredibly powerful. They amplify your intentions and keep your energy aligned. Say these affirmations. For 111, I am creating the life I desire with every thought. For 222, I trust the process and know everything is falling into place. For 777, I am in harmony with the universe's plan for me. Which angel number affirmation resonates with you? Let me know in the comments. Visualization is a key part of manifestation. When you see an angel number, take a moment to visualize your goal as if it's already yours. If you see 555, imagine yourself stepping confidently into a new chapter of your life. Feel the excitement and possibility of change. Have you used visualization in your manifestation journey? Tell me how it's worked for you. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. Angel numbers can guide your next steps, so you take aligned action toward your dreams. If you see 444, it's a sign to lay a strong foundation. Start working on the details of your goal, whether it's building a budget, creating a vision board, or networking. Angel numbers are like a cosmic GPS guiding you toward your dreams. By aligning your intentions, using affirmations, visualizing your goals, and taking action, you can manifest a life of abundance and joy. What's one dream you're manifesting right now, and what angel number has guided you? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to celebrate your journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's manifesting their dreams too. In our next video, we'll explore how to strengthen your connection with the universe for even greater guidance. See you there.